Creating a marketing strategy. Here are 10 things that you must absolutely include within your dental practice's marketing strategy. Hello, welcome to another episode of Digital Dental Marketing Made Easy. For those of you who do not know who I am, my name is Natalia Porras, and if this is the first time that you are here, I would encourage you to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our video tutorials. You're in the right place if you're a dentist or a dental specialist, and you are really looking at leveraging social media or the world of online marketing to grow your dental practice. In today's video, we're talking about the 10 things that you must absolutely include if you're creating a marketing strategy for your dental practice. Before we get started though, I really want to encourage you to take a look at our social media starter kit for dentists. It's an A to Z guide as to what things you need to be successful on social media. And it actually includes a customizable marketing roadmap, which is really going to help if you are in the process of creating a marketing strategy. So take a look at that. Okay, so are you ready to go over the 10 things that you need to include within your marketing strategy for your dental practice? Make sure that you take some notes with this. Let's get started. Number one, you need to get started define your goals. Know what it would mean to be successful once you deploy your marketing strategy. Number two, you need to do an audit of all of your entire digital ecosystem. That includes social media, it includes email marketing, it includes how you're responding to online reviews, everything that entails your digital ecosystem. Number three, you need to do a competitive landscape analysis. Take a look at what your competitors are doing. That way, this is going to give you an in into how you want to differentiate yourselves from your direct competitors. Number four, you are going to be defining to the T your target audience. And your target audience should not be, I'm trying to go after everyone. No, if need be, you're going to define it with a primary target audience and maybe a secondary target audience. But you need to define those two segments within the market that you're really trying to hone in. The more specific you get, the better. Number five is your branding. Your branding includes your brand values, your positioning statement, even the colors that you're going to be using within your clinic, within your logo, within all of your branding. Number six is the roadmap of all of your tactics and a timeline to be implementing each one of your different tactics. Number seven is social media. Now that's a very big segment of your marketing strategy. So you want to divide that into organic and paid campaigns. So what is going to be your social media plan? Be very detailed. What kind of content topics do you want to be talking about? Create some content pillars so that you know every single week what it is that you're going to be talking about on social media or what kind of content you're going to be creating. Go down into the very details of this as to determining the formats that you're going to be using, whether it's images, graphic design, photography, videography, reels, and the frequency that you plan on posting on social media, as well as your channels. Okay, so I said also to divide social media between organic and paid. So within paid, you're going to be defining your ads. So that could mean Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and also Google ads within that. Moving on, number 8, website. So if you have not created a website, you're going to want to create a website. You're going to want to create the content, the written content for your website as well as the design. If you already have a website, then you're going to want to take a look at an audit, what kind of website improvements you can make on your current website. Number 9 is doing an SEO audit. So that is directly pertaining to your website. Do an SEO audit, and I would highly recommend that you actually go out and get someone that could do this SEO audit for your website so that you know what kind of improvements you could make, or maybe define what kind of content you want to change up on your website. Number 10, which is last but not least, is your online reputation management and monitoring. That means creating a plan for how you want to respond back to reviews online and how you're going to be monitoring that. If I could add a tip here is you might want to have an actual template of how you want to respond to negative reviews. And believe me, every dentist, no matter how good they are going to eventually get some negative reviews. And it's very important that you have a plan in place as to how you're going to respond to those reviews. We do have a video for you that explains step by step as to how you should be responding to negative reviews. You could go check that out. So that was it, the 10 things to include within your marketing strategy. Okay, so I hope that you found that video useful and that you include all those 10 things within your marketing strategy. Now, I really want to encourage you to go and check out our social media starter kit for dentists. I've included video tutorials. I've included templates in there. We've included a marketing roadmap, as I mentioned before. It really encompasses everything from A to Z that you need to get started with online marketing and to be able to implement step-by-step things successfully. So go check that out. If you like this video, make sure to like it and to share it, and let us know if you have any comments in the video description below this. Make sure to connect with us on Instagram at NP Dental Marketing, and if you have any questions, comments, or even ideas for new videos, let us know in the comments of this video below. Bye for now.